people.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsang, responding to the question raised by Mawryngkneng MLA Heavingstone Kharpran about the setting up of a fire and emergency services station, stated that the matter is still in progress. He informed that the government has recently acquired the land, which spans 22,000 square feet, and it has been handed over to the Home Police by the Deputy Commissioner. He added that the preparation of the detailed project report for the construction of the building will begin soon, and once completed, the fire station will be operational.
Recently, government has taken over the land. And the total area is about 22,000 square feet. And we have just taken over, and the DC has already handed over to Home Police. And very soon we are going to prepare DPR for construction of the office building of the fire service station, and once that is completed, sir, the station fire service station will be ultimately operationalized.
Education Minister Rakam Sangma